If you've got eggs, you've got dinner. That's right, if you've got eggs, you've got dinner. Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen again, corporate chef of BC Egg. BC Eggs are really the magic ingredient when you need to pull a meal together quick, easy, and budget friendly. All you need to have are some leftover cooked vegetables from the night before, and you can turn that into dinner for your family. Today we're gonna make a roasted corn frittata. So I have 2 cups of leftover roasted corn from our barbecue. And it's corn season right now, so this is the perfect recipe for you to take advantage of when you have a little bit of leftover roasted corn, but not really enough for the whole family. So I've taken the kernels off the cob. I have 2 cups worth, and I'm just gonna make a quick frittata. I'll show you how easy this is. If you're doing roasted corn like I am, a great idea for you would be doing it sort of Tex-Mex. You could add some black beans, maybe some jalapeno, but whatever you do, make sure it's no more than the 2 cups. I'll explain. The first thing we're gonna do is beat 6 large BC eggs. Always remember, every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get. And 1 large egg, it's only 80 calories. So let's take these 6 eggs and we're just gonna put them in a mixing bowl here. And we're just gonna beat these up. Then we're gonna add our roasted corn. Now, as I mentioned, you could make this frittata with any leftover cooked vegetables. Maybe you have some leftover vegetables from a stir fry, some roasted tomatoes, anything like that, as long as you have the 2 cups worth. What we need to do to make a successful frittata is have enough eggs to the ratio of vegetables. So for every 2 cups of vegetables, you add 6 beaten eggs. If you had 3 cups of vegetables, then you'd use 9 beaten eggs. You need enough eggs to make sure it sets up and it holds together so you can cut it into squares when you're done. Then we're gonna add salt, pepper, and we're gonna stir that all together. And that's our frittata mix. If you are doing this ratio, 2 cups of vegetables to 6 large eggs, then you're gonna use an 8x8 square baking pan. I've lined it with parchment paper, and just to make the frittata a little easier to release, I spray it with baking spray. Then we're gonna pour our frittata mix into that pan. And then just shake it to distribute, make sure it's a nice and even layer. And then we're gonna take some cheddar cheese. And again, if you're trying to make this more Tex-Mex, like I said, with the black beans and the jalapenos, then I would do some Monterey Jack cheese, something like that would be nice. But for now, I'm just gonna use the cheddar. Then I'm just gonna trim off a little bit of this excess parchment paper. Then you're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes until it's perfectly set. You're looking for an internal temperature of 160 Fahrenheit. If you're doing a larger portion, like I said, the 3 cups of vegetables to 9 eggs, then you're gonna wanna adjust the cooking time. When that timer goes off, I'll show you an easy way how to check if it's done besides taking the temperature. There's our timer, let's get this out. Ah, it smells so good. Here's how you're gonna check to see if this is done if you don't wanna take the internal temperature. Just take a butter knife, insert it, and then pull it out. If it comes out clean, then it's fine. You're gonna wanna wait about 5 minutes, let this firm up, and then I'll show you how to cut into it. All right, let's get this out of the pan. Really easy with that parchment paper now. You just lift it out, and I just cut it right on the parchment. You can make this into 4 big portions or 6 smaller ones. Just like that. And let me show you this. Oh, look at all that beautiful roasted corn there, and it holds up just nice. You could garnish that with little dollops of sour cream, some fresh chopped chives or green onions, and it would be awesome. Let's take a taste. That is so good, so much bursting corn flavor. And even if it's not corn season, you could make this with 2 cups of thawed frozen corn instead. Make sure you're checking out the website at bcegg.com for a whole bunch of other egg tips, recipes, and tricks. And this is Chef Des signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?